Hi! Hello world! Kate Middleton and Prince William are counting their blessings this season. The Prince and Princess of Wales shared their holiday card featuring them posing with their three children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. The photo appears to have taken over the summer as video footage from the day was shared by Kate in September. When she shared, she was doing what she could to stay cancer-free. Wishing you a very happy Christmas and New Year from the Prince and Princess of Wales family. Earlier this month, William and Kate family celebrate Christmas early by all attending the Together at Christmas Carol service at Westminster Abbey in London, England. Happy holiday to all! Thank you Entertainment Tonight. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!